Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to system update the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and from here just scroll down and tap on system update. Now from here, just tap on install now. Now from here, just wait for a few minutes for your smartphone to update its software. Now from here, just tap on Restart Now. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to update the software of your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. Now, as you can see, this is how to system update the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.